Insight Guide is a prototype app for an indoor navigation in a hospital. After selecting a destination, users are asked to scan the surroundings with the device camera. Localization is done by recognizing features in the environment, which is possible by using multiple area targets of the Vuforia engine. We used Vuforia Engine because it makes big AR experiences very easy to install and use. To reach a destination, users can follow a green line and arrows showing the way. We also implemented a tour mode where destinations are chosen automatically to show, for example, new employees around. At destinations, user can read information or listen to an audio.